Today we are going to be talking about common words that show you what people do. These are called verbs. Hoy vamos a decir algo acerca de los verbos comunes que muestra acción, lo que la gente hace. We're going to do each one of these. I'm going to show you what it looks like, and then we're going to see how to say that in Spanish as well. Think about when you do these things. First one is walk. Like, I walk to my class. The next one is run. We can't run at school, but we might run when we're outside. The next one is what I just did. Sit. I sit down in my chair. Sometimes, though, I need to go get something. So I need to stand up. There are times when the teacher tells me that it's not my turn yet. So I need to wait. Other times, the person might want to talk to you. They might say, come. Sometimes I'll grab something in my hand, like a pen or a pencil, and I'm going to write down a message. Other times I have a note that has words on it, and I'm going to read what they say. Here is how you say those words in Spanish. Aquí se dice en español. Walk is caminar, run, correr, sit, sentarse, stand, levantarse, wait, esperar, come, venir, write, escribir, and read, leer. Let's try a few other words. Other times I might have something in my hand, but I'm not writing words. I'm making a little picture. I'm going to draw something. If I'm using my pencil and I made a mistake, I might have to take the top to erase it. If I have something that I'm working on and I want to put a line underneath of it, the teacher might ask me to underline it. Sometimes I have to decide which one is the best choice, so they might ask me to circle it. Other times I have to show which ones are the same, so I might have to match them. Like if I have a number 1 and a number 1, I put a line there to show that they go together, that they're the same. That's how I match. Other times the teacher might ask you to stop what you're doing so you don't do it anymore. Other times we might need scissors to cut something. We might need glue to paste something. But something you always do is give it your best try. Ahora en español. Draw, dibujar, erase, borrar, underline, subrayar, circle, poner un círculo, match para poner línea para corresponder, stop, pararse, cut, cortar, paste, pegar, and try, intentar. These are words that are very common words that you might need, especially at school. Esas son acciones comunes que probablemente vas a necesitar en la escuela.